It's your girl Nicole Mercedes and welcome back to day 5 of Vlogmas. If you cannot tell already, we will be making some Who's to go in our Whoville village. Last episode, you saw me making the Who buildings, so make sure you watch that video after you're done with this one. Now here's a list of materials you will need if you'd love to try this DIY project yourself. Now that all of my characters are traced out, I went and cut them to my desired shape using a jigsaw, but just make sure that you're using some protective goggles for this step. I was able to make 4 different character groups with 2 different pieces of foam, and each group is about 2 feet by 3 feet tall. Once all of the Who's were cut out, it's now time for the fun part, painting. Now, because this type of foam has plastic covering that I didn't take off, it was a bit difficult to do a second coat of paint because the paint would just come off of it. So you have to play around with it for a little bit. However, the results are totally worth it. I wanted all the character groups to look different and have their own styles, so of course everyone's skin tones are varying. I'm not gonna hold you, I'm hurting. I think I've been doing, even though this will be fast turnover for you, I've been working on Vlogmas stuff so far for what, a week and a half. I'm physically hurting. So even though this might be like your 7th video that you're seeing, I think this is like my 10th or 11th DIY, and I am physically, like, my shoulders are burning. It is a workout. So I got this little handy dandy pop-up little soccer camping chair. So I suggest that if you are doing multiple DIYs, yeah, DIY, right? Not DUI, DIY. If you're doing multiple if you're doing multiple DIY projects, comfortable shoes, I got some Crocs on, comfortable clothes, and get a chair or a stool, get you a little cushion. I'm sitting on a blanket, and also legitimately stretch before and after. So let's get back into it. Days after everything dried, my mom went ahead and used a tiny drill bit to put holes on the side of each character. Then we put fish wire through the holes and used the wire to attach the Christmas lights onto the Who's. So far, they are all keeping up nicely.
Okay, so let's see what they look like before you drill a hole.
Yeah.
So let's see where we want to place it.
So probably around there. So
Oh, you need it at the higher part? So you don't, well, the rebar is going to go down anyway.
Oh yeah, so,
right?
so it should be fine. There's a lot. Yeah,
if we're dead center like that.
Yeah. I hammered long rebar into the ground and then gorilla taped all the Who's to that rebar. And here's the final reveal. I also added a spotlight to each character to help let people see all of the details that went into each thing. Y'all let me know in the comments below, who are your favorite Who's? I'm going with my ice skater girlies. I love the little rink that goes along with them. It is so cute. Please make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe and hit that notification button to inform you on the next Vlogmas shenanigans. See you next time. Love you. Bye.